Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, headset firmware up to date, and the PC meets minimum specs because performance depends on both. Once done, install Virtual Desktop on the headset and the PC Streamer app and sign into the same account so they recognize each other. Next, connect either with a solid USB cable or a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. This reduces latency. Make sure USB drivers and SteamVR are enabled when needed. Then proceed to pair devices. You now connect and configure for a smooth session. First, open Virtual Desktop in the headset and pair to your PC using the on-screen code or automatic discovery so the link is secure. Then adjust the video bitrate and encoder, NVENC if you have an NVIDIA GPU, to balance quality versus latency. Choose a target frame rate like 72 to 90 FPS depending on your hardware. Also set controller bindings and audio output, and verify Steam VR Room setup so your tracking and boundaries behave predictably. You finish by launching the desktop stream and opening the apps or Steam VR content. Check visuals and input responsiveness immediately so you can iterate. If you encounter stutter or frame drops, lower the bitrate, try wired USB instead of Wi-Fi, or switch encoders to reduce CPU or GPU load. When things fail, reboot the PC and headset, update GPU drivers and Virtual Desktop apps, and verify firewall or antivirus settings aren't blocking the streamer. This single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.